Continuous, uninterrupted production is critical to your success. Epson Precision Core Micro TFP printheads are engineered to last for years. Our heat-free print technology is effective at maintaining nozzle integrity over time, meaning replacing a printhead every few months is no longer a concern. But production environments can be hectic, and accidents can happen. That's why, for the first time ever in an Epson signage printer, we're giving you the ability to change the printhead on your own, with no service technician required. It only takes about an hour, with all adjustments done automatically after the head is switched out and no tools required. Register to Epson Cloud Solution Port Software, where Epson printheads, which are engineered to last for years, are priced at $695 MSRP. Visit epson.com/resin. Epson, exceed your vision.